Hi guys, this is Alik from NatureWithAlik YouTube channel, and I welcome to all of you around the world to my beautiful Shulman dragon fruit orchard in Southern California. And we're going to be doing tasting today of the light varieties. So we prepared the table right now with the scale. We're going to check the weight of the fruit. We have a nice beautiful refractometer. Okay, so here's the refractometer. We're going to do a digital check of the sweetness of the fruit, concentration of the sugar. We got spoon, we got knife, we got garlic press to squeeze the juice, and we'll do the tasting as well. Okay guys, drum please. Da -da -da -da. Okay, here we go. Beautiful delight fruit. Okay, ooh la la, look how pretty it is. Nice, beautiful color, red color. Have so many customers coming in the last few days, and we already have harvesting Mr. Wu, Michelle, Delight. We have physical graffiti. Lots of tasting videos coming very soon. Okay, I'm gonna wash it very fast. Wipe it. Good. Nice and pretty fruit. And we'll check fast the weight of this fruit. I guess for sure it should be over the pound, and that's a good size, you know. That's a good size of the fruit. You're always going to be happy to have at least 1 pound of the fruit, okay? And it's very beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, let's do the check of the weight. Okay, 000. We're going to check the how many ounces first. Woo! 1 pound 3.8, right? 1 pound 3.8 ounces. And let's see, we can switch to, this is ounces. Okay, this is what we got, the number 556, right? So over a half a kilo. Here we go, 556 grams. Thank you so much. Okay, so now we're taking the scale off, and the fun part, to slice this beautiful fruit open. Okay, so you always look at this. So this is the bottom where it was holding on the frame. So try do not cut directly, because it's very hard to cut this stem which were holding the fruit. So try to go little bit off. Okay, so little bit off. I'm just gonna show you. So we're gonna go a little bit off the side. Ta-da! Ooh, delight! Wow! Look how pretty it is. My goodness. I'll show you the picture outside and inside. Very pretty, nice pink flesh delight variety. I love it. Okay guys, so the fruit is already open, and we're gonna do the brick score taste. Okay, so I'm gonna slice little. Oh, actually, yeah. Actually, let me do this. Yeah, let me do this scoop on the center, and we'll do it here. So this is the first fruit. This is the first fruit, and hope we'll see good numbers. So the much later, it's gonna be much better. Lots of heat, and definitely the taste, sweetness. It's gonna bring more flavor with lots of sun. Okay, so here we go. I press the button 00. It tells me even what's the temperature outside. Oh wow, 37.8 Celsius outside. Okay, come over here, look at the number, 17.75. okay, 17.75, almost 18 bricks. And this is the lovely number for a beautiful delight variety. I can't wait. Thank you, God. Thank you for giving us such a nice and pretty fruit, and the ability to enjoy the life and enjoy the nature and taste this fruit. Thank you. Oh my God. It is good. Guys, delight is amazing variety. Tastes beautiful, tropical flavor. I love it. All restaurants should do slices like this, you know, when they provide the dessert and any dish, add please. Dragon fruit, amazing addition to any salads, plates, desserts in restaurants. Please get in hold with me. Alik, Nature with Alik, Shulman dragon fruit orchard. I love it. I love it, and such a good and yummy delight variety. Wish you all the best, guys. We do have cuttings, we have rooted plants. You definitely, this is a keeper for your garden, for your dragon fruit orchard. Amazing variety. I'm gonna continue to work on this beautiful slice. Thank you so much. Love it. Cheers. Thank you, guys. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notifications buttons. Very, very important, because we have so many different varieties for tasting, to show how pretty they are. Different flowers. We got four plants with the pink flowers, coconut flavor, cherry flavor, grape flavor, berry flavor. Lots of different flavors. And welcome to all of you to our orchard. You know, it's from August, September, November. You can come over, harvest your own fruit, and enjoy with the family. Thank you so much. Alik, Nature with Alik, 323-547-1273. Thank you.